Hello friends, welcome back to Genuine Agent Lines. Today basically we're going to discuss the reasons why you should start mobile money. Many of you have always wanted to start mobile money, but you don't know why you should start it. These are the reasons why you should start mobile money. And by the way, the time to start is now. Yes, it's now or never. So these are the reasons why I think you should start mobile money. One, first of all, mobile money works with money. So you use money to make money. There is no need to have perishable things that, for example, things that get spoiled. No, you use your own money to make money, meaning that it has less risk compared to other businesses, because this money is what you use every day. It does not get spoiled, nothing happens to it. Second of all, it has a ready market. When I talk of a ready market, I mean that the people who need your service are already available. The people in your community, the people who are around you are the potential customers you have. So this is the same. The market is ready available. Third of all, mobile money is a business that can be added to any business. For example, you have a pharmacy, you have a hardware, you have a retail shop, you can add mobile money. It is compatible with any kind of business. Fourth, mobile money is a commission-based business, meaning that the profits you get are not limited. The more you work, the more transactions you do, the more the commission you make. So you're not limited to how much you can make a month. You're not limited to how much you can earn a month. You just have to be consistent and persistent and give it more time, because the more transactions you'll make, the more commission you'll earn. Lastly, mobile money needs less skills. Friends, doing transactions for mobile money is very easy. This is a skill that you can learn within 5 minutes. It's very easy and anyone can learn it. So those who have not started mobile money, please start. This is the time to start. Let's make money. 2025 should be the year of change. Thank you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.